Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to report issues on TikTok. So if you're having any issues relating to your account, so the steps you need to take to report the issue. So you go on your TikTok. Right now I'm on my TikTok, and you click on the three lines on the side at the top bar. Then click on settings and privacy. Then scroll down, and where it says report a problem, click on that. Then when it loads up, so you can search a particular issue. If you have the issue in mind, you can search for it. And there are various options here as well. You can see quick account recovery, security alert. And there are also some popular search, which you can look at it if it's related to the issue you want to report. And you can also scroll down on the topics. So there are various topics here that you can review that can maybe help you out with your issues. And if you're not satisfied with any of these, what you need to do is just to go to submit a report. Click on that. Then when it loads up, so all you just do is type whatever each issues it may be, maybe life issues or maybe account related issue, whatever it may be at all. So I'm just going to type something. Let me just type live. So when you type live, and if you have a video or screenshot of the issue that you're having with your account, you can as well upload it. You can see there are options for 4 pictures. You can upload up to 4 pictures, and the video, you can upload 1 video. So if you record it, and the next thing you have to do is just click and submit. So, and that's it. And all you have to do is just to wait for feedback from TikTok. So the feedback will be sent to the email linked to this account. That means the email that you used to open the account, or you link to the account. So you just look out for that, and then hopefully you find the video useful, and hopefully you get your issue resolved as well. So thank you for watching, and if you find the video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content, and see you in my next video. Bye.